Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be looking at, did the stock market just flip? We saw a whole bunch of companies and indexes selling off today. So in today's video, we are going to be breaking down what's going on and answering that main question of, is now the best time to invest? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. So let's jump into it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. So like I said, we saw so many different types of companies selling off today. We saw companies like Nvidia selling off over 4%, Meta selling off over 2.5%, the S&P 500 selling off almost 1%, the NASDAQ over 1%. So what's going on, and is all this sell-off normal? So right now, a lot of investors are kind of nervous. The reason why they are is because the inflation report comes out tomorrow. Now, anytime you have this, this is going to cause emotion to get pumped into the market. Now, a lot of people are thinking that, one, if we have a good report, the stock market's going to rally up. If we have a bad report, we're going to see the stock market selling off. But you always have to look at right now, what are other countries doing? And right now, China, they just released theirs and they actually reported deflation. It's not inflation, which is pretty much when more money's getting put out into the economy. It's deflation where there's not enough. As consumers, it's great because you can buy things at just a more affordable price and you get a better bang for your buck. The issue is people don't like to spend during deflation because people like to hold it and try to get a better deal on goods. Another reason why we got a ton of sell-off today is because a whole bunch of banking companies got downgraded by a variety of different analysts. Anytime you have something like this, a company or a sector get downgraded, you're going to have massive amounts of sell-off, which is just going to cause the economy and the stock market to sell off a little. And the last and final reason why we're getting a variety of sell-off from different companies is because it's earnings season, baby. Anytime you have, earnings, you're going to have companies release really good earnings. Then you're going to have companies release really bad earnings. Now, the two companies that were more noticeable was Palantir the other day released terrible earnings, causing the stock to plummet over 10%. And then after hours today, Disney announced good earnings, causing the stock to pop up 2%. So obviously, anytime you have an earnings season, you're going to have a variety of different types of companies do well and then some do really bad. So now that we kind of understand what's going on right now in the stock market, now let's talk about, is it the best time to invest? So for me, it's actually really simple. It all comes down to you and your different type of time frame. What I mean by time frame is how long do you plan on holding your investment? If you're holding for the long run, absolutely invest. Continue dollar cost averaging. Don't even worry about the volatility. Don't even worry about the risk, the inflation report. The reason why is because over the past 90 years, through all the ups, through all the downs, the Great Depression, the recessions, the bull, the bear markets, the S&P 500 has an annual return rate near and around 10%. So you don't have to worry about this short-term volatility. Now, if you're somebody that's trying to day trade, swing trade these types of companies, then you should be a little nervous. Right now, it's a 50-50 guess for this inflation report. If we have great news, we're going to see a rally of stocks go up. If we see a bad report, we're going to see a variety of stocks sell off. It's literally a 50-50 guess. So the best approach that I would recommend is if you're looking to invest or trade the markets as of right now, I would rather see you guys sit on the sidelines than go heavy into these companies. The reason why is just because it's a risky investment. It's a 50-50 chance and you guys could be wrong. The best strategy that I would recommend is looking for companies that have sold off and are still doing relatively well. A good scanner is Finvest to find those different types of companies, and that's the best approach to day trade and swing trade them. But honestly, like I said, it all comes down to you, your type of trading style, your investment style. For me, I'm a long-term investor, so this short-term volatility, the inflation report, the China deflation report, and all that good stuff honestly doesn't scare me. I understand we went through a whole bunch of major issues with inflation in the 70s, and we did relatively decent. It took a while to get through it, but overall, you still had some relatively decent S&P 500 result. So guys, that is my approach. That is my mindset right now with the stock market. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.